What do all of your heroes have in common? They're masters of the fundamentals, right? In golf, you got Jack Nicholson. Basketball, you got Kobe Bryant or Michael Jordan. These are people. When do you think Michael Jordan stopped practicing free throws? Do you think he got out of high school and said, "No, I'm pretty good"? No. Do you think when he got drafted to the NBA, he says, "Well, no, I'm throwing NBA quality free throws. That's all there is to it"? No, he kept at it, and we know that from countless stories and anecdotes and whatnot. Look, the fundamentals in our job are the things that we tend to say as private investigators. Oh, I know that. Have you ever done that? How much? Let me ask you this: how much killer information have you found today surfing around on the internet? How many times have you? How many videos have you found? How many web pages, blog posts have you said, "Well, then that's amazing"? Probably not all that many, right? The problem is there's a lot of garbage out there. But even when you come across something really good, you might have the tendency to say, "I know that." Okay, you know that, but are you a master of that? You say, "Oh yeah, I've been doing this for years, Larry. I'm a master of that." What do you have in your life to show that demonstrates that you're a master of that? But there's a lot of people that are just clicking around and looking, and there's a sincere desire. Maybe you're a person like this, maybe, and I'm like this. You have a sincere desire to learn. I'm always looking to learn more. And a lot of times, though, I'm looking to earn that 1% better thing. That's what I want to learn. I want to just be a little bit better, because you kind of do get to that level. But you have to consider, like, when do you stop using the alphabet? You learn it in kindergarten. You're still using it when you're developing your PhD thesis. You're just using it at a different level. And the same with the fundamentals in private investigations. The reason I mention this is because obviously I have a ton of training. I have, right here where you are now, close to 500 videos, free videos with training. And I'd encourage you to learn what you can there. But I also have my paid trainings. And when you get the paid trainings, one of the first things you'll see is, I don't leave anything out. So I really do start with those fundamentals, the basics. And it can be easy to say, "Well, yeah, Larry, I know that. I know that." Don't forget the basics. Don't forget the fundamentals. Don't quit practicing them, and don't quit trying to get better at them. So if I can offer you one thing this week, I want you to look at, number one, continuing to learn, trying to get that 1% better. That's really important. But then also, when you read, hear, see something that you go, "I know that," or "I already know that," pause for just a second and go, wait, was there something a little bit different here? Was there something a little bit extra? With everything we do as investigators, be sure to keep an eye on those fundamentals and always keep learning new things. In the meantime, this is Larry K. with Shadow Anyone. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.